Hello everyone. Recently I have released a new product of Torrit, and I have also developed a website to distribute Torrit. The link for the website is ashfaqeee.wixsite.com/torrit. So in this site I have shared both of my products. The previous one you can directly get it from the previous video, and the new product is for developing the cases for a MATLAB based software called MATPOWER. Those who are familiar with power system research, most of you are familiar with MATPOWER. Okay, it's quite well known in the community. It is completely based on MATLAB, and it doesn't have any graphical user interface. So I thought about creating a graphical user interface using Torrit that will be able to create the case files, and those case files will be used by MATPOWER directly. Okay, in order to download this product, you have to click on download MATPOWER case building. You will be directed to Google Drive. Okay, you just select both folders and then you click on download. It will take some time to download. When the download is ready, you will get this window. You just save the file. Then you go to downloads. Okay, and you unzip it. Once you unzip your downloaded file, you will get two folders, app files and IEEE 14. Basically, the last one is an example. Go inside app files. You will see an executable called MATPOWER case building with Torrit. You just create a shortcut that will make your handling easier. Okay, and you take this shortcut to the upper level, so you take it here. Okay, now in order to use this software, you just double click on this, the software will start. Okay, now after the software has started, in order to create a new file, you just click on new project. You will be given this window, this canvas. Now you need to create a case file. Here we will create IEEE 14 bus system, which is known as case 14 in MATPOWER. In order to create the buses and get the right sequence of those, you need to create the buses in a sequence. So bus number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. You need to create those in a sequence. In order to get the generators in a right sequence, you need to create those in a sequence as well. So generator 1, generator 2, generator 3, generator 4 and generator 5. Okay. To the best of my understanding, it is not that necessary to create the transmission lines in a sequence, but if you want to have those in a sequence, then you need to create those in the specified order. Suppose you want that the transmission line from bus number 1 to 2 should appear first, and then from bus number 1 to 5, and then from bus number 2 to 3. then from bus number 2 to 4, and bus number 2 to 5, and then you want bus number 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then so 4 to 7, 4 to 9, then 5 to 6, and after that 6 to 11, 6 to 12, and then 6 to 13. From bus number 7 to 8, bus number 7 to 9, then you want bus number 9 to 10, 9 to 14, then from bus number 10 to 11, bus number 12 to 13, and then at last bus number 13 to 14. Okay. Once you have created all these transmission lines, then you can connect all the generators. Before that, if you want, you can create the loads as well. Okay, now you connect all the connections left for the diagram. You do not have to maintain any sequence for creating these connections. Though I am connecting it in a sequence, it is not necessary. Okay, once you are done, if you want, you can rotate these components to make it look good. Okay, okay, once you are done with the drawing, now you can enter the information for the generators, for the buses, for the transmission lines. All those can be done just by clicking on this. It is a time-consuming process. I'm not going to show you all those. Okay. Instead of that, I have already created IEEE 14 bus system. Okay, and I have saved it. In order to save your project, you can just click on the save button and give a suitable title. For example, here I will just name it like example 14. Okay, and you can also choose the folder where you want to save the project. Okay, once you save the project, a folder will be created. By default, it is starting from the document here. But yeah, you can choose any specific position. Okay, so you save it, and if you want, you can close this project, and you can load it. As I have mentioned that I have already created the IEEE 14 bus system, and that file is also included with these. So you go to downloads and to the specific folder where you have saved your project. So you look for IEEE 14, and inside this you have the file with the extension SLD. Okay, so you double click on that, you will get this, and this is something which I have already configured. I have already given the parameters for everything, so you can use it directly. So once you are done with the information for the system, you just click on build case file. Okay, and if your development is correct and it is eligible to create a suitable case file for MATPOWER, it will be shown through this small window. Okay, so now our case file is ready for MATPOWER. Okay, it will have an extension M, the standard extension for MATLAB. So if you just copy this one and put it in your MATPOWER folder, it will work from MATPOWER. It will work for MATPOWER. Okay, so that is it. I hope that you enjoy this product, and if you feel that there is something more you need, okay, you can also tell me. Thank you everyone.